ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಕ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋ ವಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ, ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ, ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ, ವ್ಯಾಸ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಇನ್ ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Suka Yogindra teaching how the yogi departs from the body and attains Paramapadam. Suka Yogindra teaching entire of this process to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, the yogi surpasses the objects of the senses, then he reaches the planet of egoism. From there he goes to Mahattattvam. Like this, O Parikshin Narendra, after surpassing the entire of this Prakriti Mandalam, the yogi tena atmanam upahiti shantam anandam. Then he attains Paramatma, where there is only complete eternal bliss. Like that, whoever follows this Archiradi, the divine path, they reaches to Paramatma and never gets interest in this Prakriti Mandalam. O Maharaja, I gave answer to your question. I told about two paths. One is Archiradi, another one is Dhumadi. Ete Shruti te Vedagite. These two paths are given by Vedas. If you take Archiradi, you will go to Paramatma. If you follow Dhumadi, the other path, you will go to other Brahmalokas and other planets. There you will enjoy for a while and again will come back to these materialistic bodies. O Maharaja, at the time of death, Archiradi is the most essential and beneficial path to be contemplated by everyone in order to reach Paramatma. O Maharaja, Chaturmukha Brahma, sometime back, he worshipped Sri Krishna Paramatma. Evai pura brahmana ahatushta ಆರಾಧಿತೋ ಭಗವಾನ್ ವಾಸುದೇವಃ. Chaturmukha Brahma worshipped, did tapasya for Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then Sri Krishna Paramatma got very much pleased and very happy with Chaturmukha Brahma's aradhana. Then Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma revealed about these two paths, Archiradi and Dhumadi, to Chaturmukha Brahma. O Maharaja, that is why nahi ato anyaha sivah panthaha. There is no better and auspicious than having devotion upon Sri Krishna Paramatma. There is no other way to get moksham, and this is only the best way, being devoted to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Also, O Maharaja, once Chaturmukha Brahma, what he did is, with all of his great attention and concentration, he studied Vedas, and finally he felt that he has to study one more time. Like that, he studied 3 times the entire Veda. Then, as an essence of all of his very attentive study, he decided that Ratihi Atmanayato Bhavet. The final decision that he made is attraction towards Sri Krishna Paramatma, devotion towards Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is Sriman Narayana, is only the best way, only the way to get moksham, to get liberated from the karma bandham. He decided that way, the Chaturmukha Brahma. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying to Parikshin Narendra, what happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.